Welcome to Secure Financial Education. Subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want. Budgeting 101. This video is going to talk about one budget option, the zero-based budget. So, what is zero-based budgeting? In zero-based budgeting, your income minus your expenditures should equal zero. Simple to say. A little more difficult to do depending on where you are in your financial journey. The zero-based budgeting method encourages you to use every penny of your monthly income. The idea behind the zero-based budget is to give every cent a purpose. The purposes of your money include expenses, savings, and debt payments. If you come in under budget in a certain expense category, you can add the remaining amount to another category, such as your debt repayment or emergency savings fund. The zero-based budgeting system is similar to the envelope system, which we'll discuss in another video, which involves distributing money for different expense categories into envelopes. How to start a zero-based budget. Number 1, know your income. Total your paycheck and other sources of monthly income to create a starting point. Number 2, track your expenses for a few months. Knowing what you typically spend, and where, creates a foundation to build from. Number 3, categorize your expenses. Identify all your needs first, such as rent, utilities, groceries. Then identify your wants, such as getting a new car. Then identify your debt repayment, emergency fund, and other savings goals. The pros of the zero-based budget. It keeps you aware of how much money flows in and out. This can prevent you from spending what you don't have. This system is also customizable, which can be especially useful if you're new to managing your money. The cons of the zero-based budget. Following a zero-based budget eats up quite a bit of time. To hold yourself accountable, you'll have to closely and consistently monitor your spending. This type of budgeting might also pose a problem if you have an unpredictable income, say, if you're an hourly worker whose schedule fluctuates. Now that you know what the zero-based budgeting system is all about, you're ready to give it a try for yourself. If it doesn't work for you, try another budgeting method until you find one that works for you. One will work for your lifestyle. Good luck and keep us updated on your progress. Thanks for stopping by and watching. Please comment below, your opinion is important. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want.